Hello friends and hello student. My name is Shubsi Kala. In this session, we learn the how to download ADT bundle from internet and how to configuration your PC or laptop. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way. And I open as Firefox or any browser, and then here I search that is ADT bundle. So yes, that is window based. Yes, I think an ADT, that full form Android Development Tools, and that is a bundle because that is a combination of SDK, Software Development Kit, SDK Manager, and Eclipse. And also we can download the JDK appropriate version of ADT bundle. So then we can configuration to our PC and laptop. So first index of file, and I click here, and you can see here different type of you can download appropriate in your OS like Linux, Mac OS, Windows 80. So here I latest that is here that year and that time that is that uploaded. So I click here and you can see here ADT bundle window X 86, 64 bits or 32 bits depend upon your PC processor. So that is my window is OS window 10 in my laptop, and here you can see the 480 uh, 480 MB that size. So I already down, I just show you so you can, okay, then that is a downloaded from internet. And now second step, first I can complete so I minimize this screen, and then I go in my this PC and E drive. So I already download, and here that software, yes, here one software folder is there, and ADT bundle that I already download. So second step, you can extract, yes, here that ADT window, yes, I already, and then right click, yes, in this uh, right click. So that is a yes, and next extract to here or from any extract that is a same name. So extract files, yes, I just click. So you can watch which folder or file means this which drive you have to extract. So you can select any and then just press OK. So that is a extract. So I already take as a extract this for already my in my that folder. So I close this file and also close this window so we can shortly. So yes, here which yes, here you can look that is already in E drive I extract. So what now second step, configuration, here download and extract, and you can just click and Eclipse. Yes, here there are three subfolder. You can I just click ADT bundle window, and you can look here Eclipse, SDK Manager. There are three, and how many size? So just we can, yes, here I'm that mouse on, so you can that is the latest version and 624 MB size of this folder. So now what to do? So Eclipse go in this folder, and then you can select this Eclipse symbol and right click again and send to that is in desktop. So we cannot open again in from this or folder, directly we can click in the desktop. So that is a how to download. Yes, here you can look that is symbol appear, but now one thing is remaining, and that is a JDK version we have to download. So again I go in second step, how to configuration. So here I now write as JDK. Yes, so yes, you can look JDK download for 64 bits. Yes, and you can also write latest for Windows OS. So that is a better. So JDK download for 64-bit, and we can say that Windows OS. Yes, so I include Windows. Yes, now that perfectly JDK download for Windows 10 64 bits. So I enter, and you can look that is a Oracle that also free. ADK ADT bundle is also free, and JDK that also download from internet. And here different, here you can also different type of version is there. So yes, so many that based on window. So yes, that is API document is there, but we can go in appropriate site. You can look here Oracle JDK download. So I just click, and which version, that is also important. Yes, I click this link and you can look here. So many here is also important, which operating system you can download from internet. So Linux based rem 60 rpm package, here that size, and here that link to download. So we can go for window based. So here that, yes, here Mac OS is there, Solaris, yes, so many. Yes, now that our window, yes, and that, so I also download from this in my PC. So you can just click, yes, here that 86 or 64 bits, yes, both is perfectly. So any one you have to download, yes, I download for this. So that is a asking, yes, I recommendation Oracle, yes, and now you can just click. So that is a that file is go, and that sometimes that permission all are that asking, but I not create my account, I already downloaded. So I close this now internet and go my PC, and that is E drive. And here you can look now in software folder, and then here Java folder is there in my PC, and here that is a JDK. You can look JDK. So NetBean, you in fifth sem use like install the NetBean. So that is also available in my PC. But here we can only JDK and higher 1.26, 1.6, then higher that is a 1.7. So that is a needed. Otherwise, not configuration. Yes, here that is a 7 version. So I just click. That is a asking some permission. Yes, that is a in your account. You just, yes, I that install my PC. That is not installed, so I can install first. That is JDK 7 update 25 progress. Yes, that is moving all file, and then abstract installer or that install, I think. So let us take some only 1.5 minutes. So that is I think completely. So now, yes, that I think, otherwise that taking ADT bundle is taking error. Yes, you can see that is been successfully installed Java SE. So development kit 7 updates. Okay, now I can close. So all are well, and that is a configuration. So now I can open this Eclipse. So that is a, yes. Now second step, how to, yes, first Android development tools. So developer or developments, both that developer also use. So Android development, yes, here that asking the work page. So I cancel and first create in my PC one folder. So my so many folder is there in my previously Android 2020. So now I can take new folder, because if you existing folder, so other your previously, like in, I give the examples Android 2020, here some my previously project is there, so that taking error because that is a not configuration of this new ADT bundle. So now what to do? So here I take new folder. So always first time you can take creating new folder for Android project. So here I take new folder and giving the name Android, yes, and underscore 2021. Yes, that is a already start 21. So now that perfectly. And then I close, so we can select. I now double click. So that is a asking workspace. Yes, here you can see the ADT store your project in folder called a workspace. Your project that store that known as a workspace, and choose a workspace folder to use this session. Yes, so I browse, and now I can take as our F drive, or here Android. So new folder I created, previously folder I give, so that previous our project that taking error, so I take as a new blank folder. Okay, so that is a, and you can also take new folder to here directly. So I choose one default blank folder, and now okay, so taking some process, and that ADT bundle is now I think start. So look that Android developer tools. So Android development tools, you can that is same. Both full form is ADT. So Android developer tools or Android development tools. So there is a need. Yes, now that first, yes, you can look that ID. So I take my screen to below. Here some process is going on. You can look at SDK load. And yes, here uh, I think that is a perfectly. So yes, here, yes, now complete. So that is a IDE, integrate development environment. So build your first apps, design your apps, test your apps. So yes, I just close. So yes, now package explore, that is our screen, that is our uh, problem, Java docs declaration that is giving any error, and here outline that is not needed to first step required. So now I think that's sufficient. Next, my upcoming video I take, yes, here I just taking how to download from internet, how which version SDK you can take in ADT bundle latest for 1.6. So JDK you have to take. Here I just show you again. So which version JDK you have to download. So yes, here look, you can look in program files and then Java folder. So you can look that is a JDK 1.7.0 underscore 25. So this old JDK is not that is a higher means 1.6 or greater 1.6 or greater, that is a needed to ADT bundle, otherwise taking error. So that is a must be. So yes, that is 1.7 we can recently install. So that is a perfectly our Android tools is installed. And next my upcoming video how to take as a new project. So in file Android application project we have to take, and how to create the AVD, Android virtual device. So to wait. So yes, to wait my upcoming video. So here in window I Android virtual device manager is there. So I think complete. I now close this ADT exit. Yes. So that is how to install, or we can say that how to download from internet and how to configuration. Here there is no need to installation, that directly you can press any folder, any drive, ADT bundle. Here I can press, or any other app drive I also press. Yes, there is no, you can press any drive and just double click, and then Eclipse go in Eclipse folder, and that Eclipse logo you can click. So your ADT bundle here that is started. So there is a no installation is needed, just you can configuration is important. So here that demanding the work pace. Okay, so now I can cancel. So you can understand, I revise first step. You can go any browser and take and search ADT bundle for Windows OS. Yes, here I just ADT, yes I write, and so you can take, yes, here just here our previously link is open, so you can download window base. Yes, and then unzip. Yes, here that is a zip. So unzip software in your PC laptop, first you have to install, and any drive you can extract, and then go, that is like you can here second step. So extract, and then you can put ADT bundle, and there are three folder. Yes, Eclipse, SDK manager. So that is a perfectly you can appropriate version download, and then just go Eclipse folder, and that icon you can put your desktop, just right click and send to desktop. And then first you can take one blank folder, creating F or E, whichever you are trying in your PC or laptop, and then you create this blank folder. Yes, that is a needed. So blank folder you have to create. So and then appropriate JDK version also you can install. So yes, I think now I can conclude this session. So you can both how to ADT bundle and JDK appropriate 1.6 latest ADK, and demanding the 1.6 or greater higher version is. Yes. So now I complete my session. Yes. So I hope you can enjoy this session. So subscribe my channel or Shuksi Jalakadi, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.